If you want to restrict a Google Drive file so that only people with the link can view it, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just a few steps. This is really useful when you want to share a document, folder, or file without giving edit access and without making it fully public to everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set the link so anyone with it can open the file, but only as a viewer. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive and find the file or folder you want to share. You can do this from your main Drive dashboard or by using the search bar if you already know the name of the file. Once you've found it, right-click on the file or folder. This will open a menu with several options. From that menu, click Share. In some cases, you may need to click Share and then click Share again to open the full sharing window, depending on how Drive displays the option. Once the sharing panel opens, look for the General Access section. This is the area that controls who can open your file with a link. By default, Google Drive may have it set to restricted, which means only people you manually add can access it. If you want people with the link to be able to view the file, click the drop-down next to General Access and change it to Anyone with the link. This is the key setting that allows link-based access. After that, look to the right side of the permission setting. You'll see another drop-down that controls what those people can do. Set that permission to Viewer. This makes sure they can only view the file and cannot edit or comment on it. That is the safest option if you just want to share the content without giving away control. Once both settings are correct, click Copy Link. This saves the shareable link to your clipboard so you can paste it into an email, message, or website. Before you finish, take one more look to make sure the access is set to Anyone with the link and the role is Viewer. That combination means anyone who gets the link can open the file, but they won't be able to make changes. After that, click Done to close the sharing window and save your settings. At this point, your Google Drive file is now restricted in the way you wanted. It's accessible only to people with the link, and they can view it only. If you ever want to change it later, you can always come back to the same share menu and switch the access back to restricted or update the permissions again. So that's how you restrict Google Drive file access to only people with the link can view. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.